I'm Madison Wesley and I'm a Metro rider. I've seen Metro open a lot of opportunities for myself and my peers. I think Metro is a key to really connecting our uptown area with our downtown area. With the ridership partnership that we have with Metro, this has really opened a lot of opportunities for students to not just get from home to school, but also to allow students to get downtown and into the surrounding communities. I wasn't a Metro rider before I came to UCE, but now that I've came down here, I've definitely taken advantage of Metro. I would definitely say that not having access to transportation is a barrier to higher education. Metro is connecting our students at UC to a lot of great opportunities that are enhancing not just their professional aspects of their life, but also their social aspects of their life. Metro, I think, is really connecting students to their city and allowing them to be active participants in it.